Hi, Carrie Dam, licensed marriage and family therapist, here again on The Whole Damn Family, episode number 2. I thought I'd take a minute just to explain why is it that I find myself in this precarious situation of helping families who are in such high conflict find resolution and a path forward for themselves and their families. A lot of it stems back to my own childhood when my mother divorced my father and moved 10 hours away to find jobs in upstate New York from where I grew up. And every single summer, my grandparents and my mother would make sure that I had a connection to my family and was able to stay close to them, to my mother's side of the family and my father's side of the family. And I still enjoy a wonderful relationship with them all these decades later, and I still feel as close to them as if I would have lived down the street. And I feel like every child deserves that opportunity to stay connected and to understand where they come from. I do also understand about the need for protection. In my 25 years professionally, I have worked a lot in the child welfare field. I do understand that there are times when children do need to be protected and sheltered from people who hurt them. I've worked as an advocate in the child advocacy field. I've worked in family reunification programs where children had to temporarily be removed from their parents so that they could get healthy, and then children reunified with their parents. And that is some extremely healing, restorative work that is really good, because ultimately I believe that children should be with their parents unless there's an extreme reason why they should not be. So this channel is going to go through at first some educational pieces because it's very complex. I'm going to be using words like parental alienation, justified or unjustified restrictive gatekeeping. There's a difference between those, and or estrangement. And what does reunification, because that's another very complex word, look like in all of those different cases, and how do we even find out what is happening? Why is this happening? And then if you're a therapist and want to know a little bit more about the work that we do, how do we help families heal through that process? So we've got a lot of content that we're going to start sharing with you. I'm going to put it out a little bit at a time so that you can find something that relates to your particular interest. And like I said before, if you would like to comment and tell me a little bit about your situation and what's going on for you, I can do a little bit of research and we could make sure that we address your specific issues too. Thank you and have a great day.